All right, welcome back everyone. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our weekly Forex analysis for this week. This is the 8 to the 12 March 2021. Yesterday, Saturday, we did record our pre-week. So if you have not watched that video, please go back and recheck it. It's pretty neat. It has 4 different pairs. And yesterday when I was doing the live streaming, you guys asked me to analyze 2 additional pairs. So out of those 2, I select one. Actually, I added, it was USD JPY and I think it was the USD Canadian. And USD Canadian is going to be very sexy this week, guys. I strongly believe on that. Yes, I have it on my analysis. So I'm going to show you what USD Canadian is doing. And then we take it from there, okay? All right, so let's go ahead, guys, and let me go ahead and give you the Forex disclaimer before we move on, guys. It's very important. It's the following. I'm not your financial advisor and just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips with the market, okay? So now, let me show you what I'm seeing here on this particular page here, guys. What I'm seeing here, USD Canadian is still bullish. Market is not giving us a strong signal yet. It's giving us an indication the market is selling, but to be honest, guys, market here still then bullish. All right, so look at this one, bullish, buy. Look at the momentum. The momentum here is very strong. Boom, and it's still strong. All I can say is the market's still gonna be pushing probably 1 or 2 more candles up. Then most likely on Monday, tomorrow is Monday, today's Sunday, guys. The market opened today at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Please don't trade on Sundays. Sunday is not good to be trading, unless if you want to blow your account, please. Once we have the full indication here, the market is ready to give us the direction of a downtrend, I will take fully sell here. But remember, you're going against the trend because this is a PV, guys. This location here is very important for everyone to understand where are all the PVs located. If you don't know how to trade PV, eco VV, pull back, eco bad business. If you don't know how to do that, please be careful, right? Be careful, because remember, these are not signals, but I'm giving you a heads up what the market is gonna do. Because to be honest, I really love to analyze the market only what the market is gonna predict in the next 5 days. That's all I care. Not in the past, in the future. We live in the future. We don't live in the past. All right. So hopefully this makes sense, guys. Do me a favor. If you guys are finding value so far, please hit that bell notification below. Like, share, and subscribe. So it helps the algorithm of our video, and it make me excited as well. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, it's free. People will charge you for this information. Not in here. All right, let's go ahead and analyze Euro AUD. Euro AUD is in a buy trend, guys. Right now it's just doing in a small, tiny, very minor retracement. It's not a strong retracement. This minor here still, this guy's still in a sell position. Yeah, sure. But right now the market is still trying to push up. Remember that market overall here is bearish anyway. But the market here is still in a down bearish position. All right. Look at that one. Boom, still dropping. So in my opinion, market's still gonna push down another few more candles here. Then officially we're gonna go with the PV here. Boom. Most likely it's gonna stop on the 38.2 Fibonacci. But that's what I'm gonna leave it as what it is, between the 38 and the 50, because we're gonna come back on Wednesday. Anyway, we're gonna come back on Wednesday where we're gonna analyze today's video and yesterday's video that we did. We're gonna do our follow-up Forex analysis, where you're gonna have the opportunity to see what the market did for the week, for the video that we did yesterday, Saturday, and the one that we are doing it today. So we're gonna do our follow-up on Wednesday. So that's the beauty. That's the beauty of us doing this analysis, that we do it before and after. Before and after is the most amazing thing. because there's no lie, guys. Whatever I'm telling you right now, it is what it is. But please pay close attention, guys, to the radar. The radar here is still giving us a sell indication here. Look at that, sell, 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 and a sell. So still selling. So that's what I'm saying. This guy's still here in a sell position. Once you give me the full confirmation, boom, I'll take it as a buy. Okay. All right. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Let me know in the comment below if you do have any other opinion. Anyway, that's the only way that you are gonna be learning how to trade in this business, right? Sometimes you gotta make mistakes, guys. That's not a big problem. That's not something, you know, that you're gonna be like, oh my god, I'm gonna be losing my mind. Make sure you comment here if you want to join us. Here's the multiple time frame. Become a member. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right. Are we okay with that? All right. So let's go ahead. This is the request that one of our traders yesterday when we did our pre-week video, he was requesting for us to trade USD Canadian. What was the opinion on this one? USD Canadian is, at this time, guys, is doing a PV, and nothing is wrong with that. PV can be good, but if you don't know how to trade, PV can be bad business for you. So right now, currently at this time, the market is still in a buy position. It's doing a very, very minor dropping here, right? Always pay attention to this one. Look, sell, 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 sell. Beautiful. Look at the beauty of our multiple time frame. So the market right now is doing a small retracement. Nothing is wrong with that. Market is still gonna be pushing maybe 1 or 10 more pips downstairs. Where? In this area here. Buy, 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 and boom. This is what I'm waiting on Monday, to be honest, market to give me a clear indication. Irving, yes, it's time for the market to do what? Boom, to go on a buy position. This is the beauty of using our multiple time frame, guys. And look, in here when I do the analysis, guys, I give you very limited information. There's a lot that we trade with different rules, so we look for a specific. Just because, I want to clarify this one, just because the you know, our signal pop in here saying Irving, let's take that buy, you're gonna jump in. No, you are not gonna be doing that. At the end of the day, it's your account. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but unfortunately, we trade with rules, and rules matters. Okay, so again, if you guys want to come in and join our multiple time frame, the link is below. Okay, so all you gotta do is like, share, comment below, and join us if you want to participate. Okay, the link is below. All right, so let's go to the next one. The next one is gold. I don't know who is gonna be trading gold. Gold, guys, is still down. Anyway, everybody knows the gold be selling already for a while. It be selling for a long time. So some of you might say, Irving, no, you're not, you're wrong. Well, there's nothing I can do. Look at this one. Sell, sell, sell. Look at that. Look at the momentum of this sell. Look at what our multiple time frame told us here. Boom! It dropped like heavy, guys. And it's still doing what? Look, there is a signal saying, Irving, we are getting ready to go in a pullback. Remember, this is a pullback. Pullback equal bad business. So the momentum here is still selling, selling, and selling. So there's no indication yet, clearly in my mind, the market is gonna give, I'm gonna be jumping in a buy position yet. Not yet. You can do whatever you want. Remember, this is not signal, but look, this is for educational purpose. But once on Monday or Tuesday, this guy pop in ready to go, I'm going in. Boom! I'm taking that PV, get my 30-40 pips, and I will stop maybe on the 23.6 Fibonacci line. Anyway, by that time, we're gonna come back on Wednesday, but we're gonna review the market together with you, right? and we're gonna make that decision. Anyway, we're gonna be seeing the video before and after, which is very important. All right, so hopefully this makes sense, guys. Market here still in a downtrend. It's not ready yet to be in a buy position. Please don't do anything silly, okay? Because you're gonna regret it, bro. You will regret it if you are planning to take a buy position right away. You are gonna regret it, and I don't want you guys to do that, bro. I want you guys to take the position at the right time and make money at the when you have to, not premature. All right, the next pair that I have here is GBP USD. GBP USD is still pushing down. It's still selling at this present time. Yes, it will get ready in this coming week, but I don't see it yet of the market going in a buy position, even though there is giving you signals here. Hey Irving, I'm getting ready. It's only one dot in there anyway, so we're still looking for the market maybe to drop another 10-15 pips here, make a new low here, basically make it stronger. Why am I saying that? Look at here, look at that one. There's a lot of support and resistance in this area here, so that's what I'm looking for, a very nice position here to come in and retest this area here. Maybe it's gonna be ready on Monday or Tuesday, and once I had this full location here ready to go in a buy position, yes, I will go boom and a buy position, and then market will come back, retest it, and by that time the market come and retest it, guys, the market is gonna be it's gonna be Wednesday, so we're gonna be seeing the before and after on this particular pair on GBP USD. But I don't know what you guys really think on this one. I don't know if some of these pairs that I give you here, guys, some more are my trades that I take during the week. I love to analyze the market on the weekend because the market is closed, so I just like to see where I'm gonna be heading this coming week. And I usually exit every Friday, so end it on Monday and exit on Friday. Sometimes I end it on Tuesday, but 90% I end it on Monday and then I exit on Fridays. That is the philosophy that I have. But pay attention to the USD Canadian, guys. The USD Canadian is in a very nice. I might probably that's one it's gonna be one of my trades this coming week. The USD Canadian as a buy, so I'm gonna take that PV. It's very promising. I really love it. Okay, so hopefully GBP USD makes sense to you. Let's go ahead and analyze Euro USD. Did you guys remember when I gave you the we did a Zoom call? By the way, guys, before I forget, let me know if you want to participate in our Zoom call. We are gonna be doing it this coming Tuesday. Probably around 3. Let me check my agenda because it's very important for me to get you in, because I mean that you're gonna be making hundreds and hundreds of pips with us, right? Tuesday. Oh, unfortunately, Tuesday, guys, I just realized I have to take my son to the doctor. So we most likely are gonna be doing it on probably we're gonna do it like around 3 p.m. Let me know if you guys want to participate, so like that we can review the market, knock it off and move on. Okay, but I don't know if you guys remember on Euro USD, when we took this trade here, anyway, the signal here was a sell. We all knew that Euro USD is selling. It's not buying. If someone tell you it's buying, they're lying to you. It's straightforward lying to you. So look, I took that sell position in here, right, with in direction of the trend, right? And look at what happened. Right now, the market is still giving us 169 pips, and it's still dropping. So the market is giving us an indication, Irving, I'm getting ready to do a retracement. That is correct. So this week we expect most likely we still have another 10-15 more pips to drop, and then market is gonna give us a clear indication of what in this direction. It's gonna give us an indication of the market going as in a buy position, and then boom, market will take a pullback PV, right? A strong PV, and then finally market will continue. But by that time the market drop, guys, I think the market all this week is gonna be in a PV standby, and the following week, the last week of midweek of March, then we're gonna see a continuation of the sell. But remember, pay attention what our radar is letting us know here. Look, everyone is selling, guys. Everyone is selling. Do not get fooled. Look at that. Pay close attention. This is what we use here in a multiple time frame system, guys. It's very important for you to understand. Okay. And let me show you something real quick, guys. Someone asked me, Irvin, how can I access your website, right? So let me bring the website here so you can see it, because I mean, it's very important. It's very straightforward, guys. Just type TWEForexSystem.com, and it's here. Let me take this off. It's TWEForexSystem.com. Boom, boom, boom. And here's the store that we have. Here's the multiple time frame if you want to join us. But we have a brand new market news, guys. I highly recommend everybody to use this. We have the economic calendar, the forex calculator, the community outlook. The community outlook is something that I use in a very daily basis. It's very important for me to understand where is all the news gonna be using, and we do use here. We use our myfxbook.com. That is the platform that we check the news. Remember, all the analysis that I'm giving to you today, this week, guys, is subject to change based on the news they are going to be releasing this coming week. So everything can be changed. That's why it is very, very important for us to check what the market is going to be doing. Okay, for some reason, my FX book is now okay, but it's anyway, it's there. So there's come and check us out. The website is TWEForexSystem.com. If you want to become a gold membership, sure, there it is. Join us. But the goal, the multiple time frame is here as well. So okay, so hopefully that makes sense, so I don't have to explain it in the near future. And we move on. All right, so yeah, so I think Euro USD is still pushing down, and then market is gonna give us a reversal on this particular trade, and everybody is gonna be taking some pips coming up. All right, but right now market still pushing down. Okay, it's not up, guys. It's not up yet. It's still down. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Don't not get fooled. Okay, any question, guys? I'm trying my best to answer your question as I go. Anyway, we here live, but so today we analyze very amazing pairs, right? So hopefully everybody make some pep this week. Remember, this is not signal anyway, like I always say, because it's very important for you to understand, right? This is only for educational purpose. All right, let me go ahead and take this website off. All right, boom. All right, so again, today we're reviewing our Forex weekly forecast. On Tuesday we're gonna do our Zoom call, and Wednesday we're gonna do our follow-up. Make sure you watch the video that we did record yesterday. Thank you, guys. I'm very, very happy for this week. Let's go ahead and make hundreds and hundreds of pips with the market. And God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys. Hasta la vista. Peace. All right. One more thing. Come and join us, guys. Come and join us, and let's make this hundreds. So what? Wait. In hundreds of what? In hundreds of pips. Let's go. All right, guys. God bless you forever. Hasta la vista. See you on Tuesday evening. Bye bye.